Hello, I'm Lee Bernstein and welcome to this short tutorial. And today we're going to discuss and I'm going to show you how to send a push notification to a member of your loyalty program. Very simple and very straightforward. Let's go. So we go first of all to the customer tab over here. And here we can see a list of all our customers. And straight away you can see on the top right hand side a red icon. We can click into that red icon and we can decide to send a message to all customers. So I'm going to send a message about a forthcoming event. So Thursday afternoon, we are hosting a grand sale. Come and get your bargains. Okay, very simple, straightforward message. I'll click I'm sure, and then I would send this message, and this message would pop over to all the members of your loyalty program who have got loyalty passes in their wallets. Doesn't matter if it's an Android wallet or an iPhone wallet. That message would pop up as a notification on their screen, and they would be able to press that notification and open up their loyalty pass if they wanted to. So that's a message to all customers. Let's cancel that and go back to the customer tab, and we'll pick up just say at random this particular record. And let's say I want to send a message to this particular individual. I can go into the blue megaphone here and I can write a message, pop in to collect your vape kit. Let's say we're a vape store and I want to send a message to somebody who's ordered something. Click I'm sure, press that. That message will be sent just to that particular individual and to nobody else. So just a quick recap. You can send a message to all customers by going to the red megaphone, which is on the customers sheet, like over here. We can see on the customers tab, the red megaphone, or you can go into a particular individual's record, click on the, no, not the credit card item. Sorry, that's the, go back there. Click on the megaphone, the green megaphone, and type your message and send that. Thank you very much.